Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change line spacing in Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word. Select the paragraph you want to change. Click on the Design tab at the top, then click on Paragraph Spacing. You will see options like no paragraph space, compact, tight, open, relaxed, and double. Choose the one you prefer. Next, click on Line and Paragraph Spacing. You can select 1.0, 1.15, or 2.0 for different spacing options. For more detailed adjustments, click on Line Spacing Options. In the window that opens, you can set the before and after spacing for your text. For example, you can choose 0.1, 0.2, or any value you like. In the indentation section, you can adjust the spacing before and after the text. In the spacing section, you can set the spacing before and after the paragraphs. You can set both before and after spacing to 0 if you want no extra space. Once you have adjusted the settings to your preference, click OK. This will change the line spacing in Microsoft Word according to your settings.